Okay, I probably should point out, if I haven't already, I probably will put in the notes, but this truck is 18 years old. So it's not too surprising that we have some rust issues. So here's where we're at. We took this piece of metal, which actually used to go right over here. It was over the around this chimney here. I don't know. It's not like that would get very hot, but that's where it was. So we took the grinder. I'm not really a metal person, but this is what I have learned. So I've took the grinder, the wheel, and cut that. And then I went in the house, and I've been throwing these things, taking them to the scrapyard for metal. Fortunately, I hadn't taken all of them. So what I'm envisioning is, and I don't know if this is doable, but cutting a wedge in here at some place, and then bending this to a 90. I'm taking off the vent here, just with the grinder. I did do a bunch of banging on the wheel rim. I think what I'm going to do is take it over. My father-in-law and will help me take the tire off, and we'll decide whether the rim's even worth using as a spare. If it is, then I will clean it up more and Z-zip it so it stops the rust. And then I think I'm just going to leave it on the back of the truck and take it off when I'm getting firewood. Okay, so almost done with this. Then I'll cut some angles in here. The good thing is this is good and strong stuff. It's got even some reinforcement here. The bad thing is it's not going to bend easy, but that's what we need. So we'll figure out how we're going to try that, but I'm thinking it might work.